Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve output on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve output on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here. After that, you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.